is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing some undecorating my tree. This was my Valentine's tree. This was the first year that I decided to keep a tree up year round, and after I took down the Christmas decor, I put up a tree put up decorations for Valentine's, and now it's time for that to come down and I'll be going into a spring tree. So if you're interested in seeing how I spring clean my office and how I redecorate the tree for spring, keep watching. enjoyed that cleaning segment of this video. Now the cleaning is all done and I put everything back where it's supposed to be. And got my candles burning. I've got my spring scene on the TV going. I'm just enjoying this so much with the water. I just love water. Got my Himalayan sea salt lamp on. Here is a new table that I picked up at Ross, and that bowl I hauled from Goodwill. I just put some decorative balls in there. And then I have my marshmallow fireside candle going from Bath and Body Works. I have my globe, my new crystal globe that I picked up from the clearance sale at Z Gallery, which I love in here. And my spring flower is going. Everything is saying spring except for the weather outside, but I know that's coming too. And then here is my tree that I decorated for the spring season. I had no idea how I was going to pull this off, but so far so good. This is the second tree, the first one valentine. Now I have spring going, and I just decorated with lavender, pink, and turquoise. Everything on here came from Dollar Tree with the exception of the bulbs. I don't know if you can see them, but the turquoise bulbs and the green bulbs, those came from the 80% off sale at Walgreens at the end of the Christmas season. Everything else, the flower and everything, came from the Dollar Tree. I hope that you like it. I'm pretty pleased with the way that it turned out, and I'm enjoying it so far. That is all for this video today. If you stuck by to the end, I'm hoping that's because you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it enough to hit that subscription bell and the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. This is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. I upload videos like this and other lifestyle events on a weekly basis, and I would love to have you as a part of my family. So if you are interested in that, please hit that notification bell, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye-bye.